Hello, and welcome back to another video with Max Gaming. When today we are playing some more Crossy Road. Now this video might be 2 minutes long because right now I'm not. Well, I can make a video, but I have a couple of seconds for the car gets turned on. So let's get started. I'm a chicken. Chickens can cross the road. Chickens are boss. Alright, my total score is 42. Please ignore the noise in the background. Be mean. Like I said, this video might be like 2 seconds long, or 2 minutes long. That's milk. This strawberry milk puts hair on your chest. Dang it! What the hell is that? This video might. I'm gonna see what's happening. Bruh. I'm such a noob. Doo-doo. Da-da-da-da. It's the police that came screeching on the ground. Ooh, we're getting hit with that car. Wait, where's he going? I'm a dead chicken laying in the road. I'm a dead chicken laying in the road. I'm gonna mess with that. Yes, the duck flew away because he heard me pop out. That sounds so rude. Oh! That car's so slow. It's like the ground. I take. Oh, my teeth. Alright, guys. I'm going to end the video short here. Everybody have a blessed day.